Hi. So Monday view, basically let me start from a Nifty. So here Nifty, I can see there's still a downside. It's looking for to touch a 10700 levels for Monday, and Bank Nifty basically, and the Bank Nifty has broke the previous day levels which I had draw, and after breaking there is some strong towards a downside only, so which is still expected to 70000 expected. And if you see the Tata Steel, I can see here Tata Steel is basically it's looking for upwards only, I can see. And in Petro as well, it's slightly it is at upwards, it's looking for. And if you see the Walk Pharma, which comes under the pharma, so pharma is also trying to push little bit. If you see the index in the pharma is slightly it is in a range, but I am expecting little bit for the upside is a. And lupin, if you see lupins are the very slightly I am expecting towards a downside. Then I hope the momentum where it's going to pick that, let's see. So I am looking it's not to trade better in this, so it's just for my analysis. I am telling based on my analysis, not for any recommendation or something like that. So here if you see the yes, then yes is also I am a negative, as I said for Bank Nifty, as I am in little bit, but there is some possibility for making in range. So if you see the axis is slightly even same as a Yes Bank, that which looking towards a downside little bit. And Tech Mahindra, if you see, then there is a little bit range movement, and then it will try to start pick momentum from 725. And Oro Pharma, if you see, Oro Pharma is also slightly it's a downside. I'm expecting little bit that, but how much it's going to come? 786, I think it will come down, and then it will push from 785 levels, Oro Pharma. And if you see the Titan, I can see in little bit upside is expected, Titan. So if you see some other because the Nifty is also in a range, so will be on a range tomorrow after little bit of volatile, that it will fall, and then it will try to pick towards upside. And so if you see the Sun Pharma is also, I'm looking at a downside. It is I can't expect that, because as my probability is you can see 413. So after 413, it's let's see how the index is going to react. So based on that only I'll perform. I have already draw everything, so I don't have to repeat everything, right? So if you see the VDL is if there is a good volume comes, then it will try to break, and it will try to touch 200 levels, which I am expecting. Other things whatever watch list I am following this only. So these are my watch list, which is it's normal basis. I don't do a lot of analysis in lot of different stocks. So if you see the IT is a little bit, it's trying to be in a range, but it will, momentum has started already from 1500 itself, so 15,000 itself. So let's see how, based on that tech aim, I am going to take action on tech aim. So if you see the metal, as I said already, right, so metal I said for upwards only, and PSU banks which are coming under ICIC and yes, Axis, this all it will come. So for the little bit down, then it will try to take momentum, it will try to pick momentum, but still it is weak if you see. And then if I talk about SGX Nifty, which is looks like a downside only, but let's see the how morning it's going to react. So we will come to know after seeing the Nifty, so how people are in which basis. Even mostly people are aggressively sorting Nifty at 11,000 level, which still I am holding that position, and 11,000 level I am holding still, and which I had 10600 and 10500 also I am holding. So I am expecting above only, so it will expire in between 600 above I am expecting, but it may try to touch even 600 even tomorrow or day after tomorrow as well. But again the momentum is going to pick from there, and then it will reverse back to the 10650 or 10700 above. So that's it, and that's it. So I hope even I am not in a fully mood of explaining everything, so already I had explained. You have to understand that. You can see the previous video and everything, so you will understand very easily. So I don't have to explain how I am following, which I am following, what I am following. You just follow up with some other videos which I already posted, so you can see and you can understand. And so that's it. So thank you. I hope everyone likes this one. So I'll whatever updates, so tomorrow evening I'll provide. Thank you.